Yo, my phone buzzing and shit, bro. Who that?
What up, bitch? It's your boy, Black Peter Parker, motherfucking Spider-Man. See that woman? Guess what we're doing? If you don't guess, ask keys. How are you guys doing? What's up? I can't tell you, I'm just greeting the people. What's a lot? No more.
Get my kids, do me love. And I'm this side, like.
Yeah, guys. If you want to introduce yourself, let's get on with it.
Hey, what's up? Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's me again, that demonstrates on Travel Teens Podcast. It's been a while. It's been a moment. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? It's Lehagwe Matake. You can find me on IG as. I will give away.
Yes. Okay. Let's give him a chance. Let's give him a chance.
No, John.
Wait. You can find me on IG as Mr. Andre Matake.
Bani?
Andre.
It's a lot of things.
Okay. What up, YouTube? It's Donald Wolf.
Tell them what you do, boy.
Yo, I'm a streamer / YouTuber. You feel me? You can find me on IG, Donny Next Door. You feel me?
What up, you all? It's your girl, God's dearest Miche. Yeah. It's all.
Mina ngina intro so asidluleni. No.
It's confidential. Wolfman, werewolf.
Wolf with 3 Fs.
This guy will tell you up.
So, guys, what do you think about the accident lanes? Guys, yeah.
Like the one of the 13 children that like
Died.
they died.
All of them.
Passed away.
Abashonanga boy. Basi kamnandi.
Aren't they some that are in the hospital? In the hospital or something?
There are some
in
the hospital.
ICU or something.
Yeah,
I'm telling you. Not all of them are there.
Artificial 16. Actually 13. So the
I heard like one K. Like 1K, so like, oh my God, yes, it's like Matiba Sharp. So like they took the child to like a private hospital. Mind you, unfortunately, the other kids are not privileged enough to go private. So then by taking a helicopter.
Don't worry, laughing.
Why is he laughing?
Why are you laughing?
So they took the kid with the helicopter. He's laughing. Exactly. So they took him. And then Mama Misaniento. And then this is what I heard. I don't know, I stand to be corrected still. So like allegedly.
True.
So like he's the one that survived because like he got the like what you call it before he got the private thing, and I guess private hospitals, how do private hospitals differ from like public hospitals? Besides or now public hospital udula lining.
Private, they pay more attention to you, like they take serious.
Have you been to a private hospital?
No.
So you don't have experience.
I know.
No, I want
One of my siblings was in the
private hospital. Wait,
But then we see these things in the movies, dog.
Nah, not in the movies, but then
But movies
no,
are unrealistic.
like seriously, like they cook for you, like there's a menu for you.
Private.
Yeah,
Like menu,
there's a
like
menu.
what
Like
you
they give you a menu.
Have you been?
In the private.
Like,
In the private.
Have you been?
They give you a menu what you wanna eat, like with my pie, so pie nyana,
So
in a like public hospital.
Tickles.
I want to be TV.
I only TV in here too. There's no Wi-Fi. We go do Ladana the whole day, like looking at the white walls. And in a private, like they give you Wi-Fi. You have your own Wi-Fi.
But you see, my
There's a menu. Yeah. Because
Five to
after the
10.
treatment, after my surgery, you have to stay for a little bit. So they can examine you again. So obviously, I'm gonna give you a menu. What do you wanna eat? And then they give you a menu. I know because
someone from his family once has been dog.
Just because Nalo make a spider, so yeah, what?
Because Nalumuk is spider.
Nalo make a spider, yeah, spider like it's plantile some kids here. So had to sleep for 2 weeks. It's a surgery or
For 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Spider.
He came like public they use brutal force nje mawumchitebile nje babene bathi nje hayi ndoda uyinsizwa ndoda cha bayikhipha le
So manje wena ngicabanga ukuthi like what is this? If election is there, like everybody laba bayenza.
nah it's not fair
it's not.
Mara we don't have to blame like
There's no
the
one to
people
blame.
There's no one to blame.
there is someone to blame, the government.
Yes.
The government.
Government.
It's
Blame
the government's problem. It's the government.
Yeah, Papa. But
It's the government's fault for letting people like be treated unfairly when they promise them fairness and all that. Because now there is still inequality. Why would you take the kid that has money and leave the other one? Because you have to prioritize someone else's life.
And then
It's not the parents'
it's the
fault.
same thing.
It's the government's fault.
It's
You
the
shouldn't
same system
prioritize. They took an oath. They took an oath.
Can I talk? These are what he's talking about. These are the same systems that like the government says like abasibekela wona kahle kahle guys. James Naswaye so people at
Yes.
depleted, you know, okay, we're not there. So like these are the government systems. Right? Here it's cool. We wear uniform to align to equality because we know that there are some families that are not privileged enough to wear isn't about right? So stop judging Banabang can take the skinny jean.
Yeah,
And-
rest in peace though.
Yeah, guys.
So guys, Ngobuza. Valentine is coming! Valentine is coming, man.
No.
We don't celebrate a man. We don't celebrate a man.
But like fairly speaking, Valentine is not for us.
Exactly. Valentine abantu abashadile.
Valentine is not for
we are
me.
still young.
Let me-
Let me
It's
ask you
January.
this. Serious.
On
Like
the next.
easy thing. Tony, but bakhe bakusengela ama flower. Bakile ba glad flower.
Hell no.
Sin to phile bakile ba glad flower.
Yes.
From the wife.
She's the one.
In the past, not now.
It's
like 3 years ago.
Damn.
3 years ago.
They are ready to find.
Boy, Bogido.
And I'm sure he fumbled.
No, this guy doesn't fumble my sister.
3 years ago.
This guy
Do
doesn't
you know
fumble.
Tuto? Do you know Tuto?
He doesn't fumble.
I know.
I also know who it is.
Oh, you found.
Oh no.
He fumbled.
I fumbled. I don't fumble.
One come first.
no more.
I don't fumble.
Hey, the glow up now.
Who you man? Oh, that thing was sweet.
No, I can tell him a flower. Some chocolate.
Like when umangele, angathola flower. Like what's going on?
Ipeti yako boy, ungevali.
Yeah?
Ipeti yako ungevali.
It was no Valentine's. But I have to hang a sick.
Oh, China's senior partner. China's senior boy.
You know the thing with Valentine's is not about it's the girlfriend's birthday. No. It must be 50-50. As much as you guys acknowledge your love for each other on that day. As long as you guys acknowledge your love on that day, you must celebrate each other and those moments you've had.
So wait, you say celebrate each other. But like,
Love.
yeah.
Yeah.
But then most of the time it's always the Bruelas who are doing something for them.
That's why I'm correcting that is wrong.
That is wrong.
Because it's not the Hans' birthday.
So manje would I be wrong ukuthi thina mhlambe ngithengile sharp mangithengile kanjalo ugela kazayo so it is fine ukuthi ngibele into zami
No.
Okay,
Babe, ngiyathengile mina for Valentine. And baby girl like akathenganga lutho.
Okay.
So it is fine ukuthi ubuyele into zami ngithi.
Makhamba
Bheka mfethu ngifika vele ngiziphethe ngepaper bag boys. Akaphithanga next.
She probably has a reason, me.
No
reason that time.
even
Because some
if-
people are money, yeah. Maybe probably angabhali letter naye, my sister. Ngola letter nyana, maybe
Even
some
if we have a
poem
letter,
some poem nyana to appreciate him.
Even if our guy next, for the fact that you had the thoughts and you have the like the affection which when you saying something for long.
Yes.
Push to tell you loyal because we battle.
What if
Your mom.
what if
What?
Yeah.
what if you tell the money?
Then so
Yeah, no, uthenga lomunye.
Yeah.
Guys, nijona
But
baba.
Leave her.
No,
Why not?
guys. You guys are dating wolves, eh?
Bafela.
No, mina ngibali kuma wolves. No. Separate.
mana
Ushama.
Next time shwetsa nnete ka 50 yaka.
Yeah.
Went silent. No text, no present. Like akhutla baby boma. Let me think. It's after 2 days.
Damn.
Boy wena ungcono.
Abare.
ngono
On my birthday.
backstory nya
So I think it was last year apparently. No?
Yeah.
So manje my chance.
okay I'm not gonna laugh Eric, guys please don't laugh
But first please don't laugh. So manje peti kakele ne sharp mpayela vele aba present and that. So that time ngipeti yakhe we were not in good terms Sure.
But you were able to buy for her.
Sure. Yabo.
W.
Yeah?
W.
No, masi.
I said W.
Yes.
You're a good man.
No.
Ucabangani.
So manje bafethu like and mina ngiphethe ngoSeptember ngiphethe ya before phethe ya like I think ngibukise boma 3 days if not like boma a week nyana
umuntu excellent 3 days
if not like a week
ukuthi ngizongishada
sure
okay
danga
shade
and futhi bangilahle boy before and the person not face to face through text
That was planned.
what was the reason
yeah the reason was first I know ukuthi otheni inkinga kusuku inkinga yini angabona ukuthi yazini
I'm
mfethu
proud of her. Womanhood is proud of you for fighting for us.
no
That's disrespectful.
You always come
this
with the
one.
same reason.
Let me tell you my story. Let me tell you my story. So what happened was, mina nomchita. Mina nomchita, we are dating, right? And then the guy is like, okay, sicale ngoJanuary uJohn. So the last week yaka January, he's like, Karen, yazi mina nawe ngathi sohlukana before nje iValentine's Day. So I thought it was a joke, yabo. Vele I'm laughing.
Kanti vele.
Mamelani. So ngay 13, the guy ebusuku ngabo 12. I still remember the guy is like, "Ay Karen wena uthanda abafana kakhulu." It's over. Inhliziyo yami guys. And then after E14 and then E15 what is Sihlangana? Okay, Sahlangana. Sahlangana. And then the guy is like, yazi mina Karen bengizokuthengela into lamaflower lawo makhulu nama-present ama-teddy bear mara inkinga yakho wena uyabhayi zithanda abafana kakhulu. Yo, Nkosi yami.
Basho yena ukuthana nazo
Exactly.
First time coming to high school.
Yo.
8. That was the last time I bought someone a gift on Valentine. There was this Xhosa girl. Those ones are dangerous. Magabanga, yabona nale voice yabona bayichinchana that's in tone yabona but
manipulation voice.
I can explain
Like andlaleli da.
Mano vele gajola belanje. Because there I used to have like uza nemali ebhaya like esikolweni like.
Very great.
Ngakaze yona leyo ntwana.
Bengiza nayo. I don't know who told her nani. Uyabona befuna grade 82 but not in the same class. Talo yam funa mangidli lunch. Should be here now for lunch. As a good man nami ngiyamnika afami. Ngiyamnika afami ikhokhi yaphuza kahle even invite her friend ngiplug umjida. Jida nangu umntana plageka na.
Jida fambula naye.
Akafambulanga. Ithathi makufika Valentine, lo mntana athi kimi, okay, mina ngicela isipho yabona. Nami ngizokuthengela. Ngathi okay.
Bekasho vele kahle.
Yaplay na Valentine bafethu or like him no baby singayiplay.
Hayi yabona.
Umntana lo. But then obviously you can get as actually uzokuthengela.
Angimtshelanga na.
Kuyabona ezinye izinto, kuyabona abathi washa izitsha. Kuyabona abathi washa izitsha kini. And then before bakutshela ukuthi washisa basho ucabanga ukuthi no lezi jenzo ziwasha.
So money plan and is
So mase bakutshela ukuthi uyakwazi.
Obviously angisho ukuthi like maybe babe I'm gonna buy you a gift, not like that. Maybe ukuthi like baby where are we gonna go for Valentine's Day yabo or something like that. Maybe sozula, it's okay. Sozulila kaloko.
Outside.
Shawe ilanga.
Uzwa ke mina ngingadlanga ke.
So bafethu okay.
Mina ngingadlanga ke mina. Qofa imali yami umkhebo.
Ngadlanga
Qofa imali yami umkhebo. Buy necklace. Buy a bracelet. Buy the Simba last number. Buy the flavored water last number.
I should
It's Hulita yonke. You order chocolate.
Shangazela
yena.
Shoprite.
Phela la.
Only to find back. Only to find ukuthi lo mntana. She didn't have a present for me ne. Okay ngathi okay cool. Yabona. Lo mntana lo ngithe cool okay.
Hayi ngene la outside grade boy.
Owazi outside grade bathi
outside grade.
Uzwa le mntana izami. Mangingiye classini lakhe ngelunch ngithola udla lezi zinto nenye ingamba. Uzwa athi mail paste uzwa mangibuze side ukuthi awulesi sakho ngamba uthi ya. Athi lo mntana lo ubhayelwe enye so ibhari.
Kanti lapha leyo
I only buy a present for my mother. Yabona nge-birthday yakho ke yami buy it for you. Even mina ngitholanga last year nge-birthday yami ngibathengela. Even if sihlukene ngiyakuthengela i-present because I know your birthday. Maka wena noma sihlukene uhlila. Mina I think
bankam.
Name drop.
That's confidential.
Isigama ntwana.
Angifuni ukulandwa abantu. Angifuni ukulandwa abantu abasentabeni.
What you been quiet boy.
Hey. Alo bayidlale kakhulu le.
I know.
What's up boy? Carnal trauma boy. You want to?
I was no weak.
I've never been in a hand here at school. And Valentine, I've never bought anyone anything. Because I don't think it's necessary. It's a pressure from the society to go to Valentine. It's not an official holiday.
It's official.
It's not official.
Oh.
Is it official?
No.
It's not.
Boy, it's not.
Are you calendaring like it? No, it's not. Actually, let's be straight. Let's celebrate someone here because Valentine was a man. So we certainly there was a man.
Was it Valentino who started the holiday?
The man is Valentine, like because he loved roses and all that. Like they say that.
So Valentina was actually.
That's why you see Zulu men don't focus on Valentine. That's what
Zulu men dog mina mvele.
Azovele bakutshele ukuthi hayi. Yeah, kunyoko noyihlo.
If Valentine is for people who are financially stable.
For us, plane le ukuthi manje ubaby athole ibar ukuthi Valentine after Valentine amlahle.
Well, you're focusing on the negative things and the wrong things.
Valentine is not negative thing because we are not white, Mafito.
Guys, if Valentine hamba nge-mindset yabo. Most stingy bro. Most stingy dog.
Oh, nina ni stingy.
Akuthi ukuthi like into yenzeke in the past.
Mara bathi thenga into enkulu and the chepis ungayithenga. It's the thought that counts.
We batla ukwaka.
Maka hlafuna chepis.
Saba nababa sothoba.
Cabanga wena. Like uyihlafuna ilanga lonke.
Magamina, I think it's better to buy someone something that will stay. Like I wanna maybe for accessories.
Okay, outside
Yeah.
Valentine's,
Yeah,
do you think like people are like getting into relationships like because of like peer pressure, like hurriedly,
Yeah,
because
straight.
of like bafuna ukuthi ngevalentine
last
to be
year.
like
Straight
babe na
up.
something, yeah.
I want the relationships are no. Even the 4 years, the end, they crumble. After 4 years, when I told you I need to focus on myself, I need my career.
And why una le XPA kana?
I don't
know. I would say from high school, there are some I want a relationship from data, like yeah, those ones straight up. Because about depending finance, what's relationship they build they build the house with raw material straight. My ekolweni ubona mai ivalentine February la ubona untombazana sikagaya nama green light ugama eyesight mai sikabheka bazokubheka mai sebabhizi bakhwathe manje after valentine
bayakhothana
Maka like mina ngicabanga ukuthi like peer pressure because from last year abantu abaningi they were getting into relationships and then January and December like abantu bavele bahlukana. Have you noticed like many couples vele bahlukana December and January, so vele yeah, I think
the next day it's over. The next day it's over.
After Valentine's.
Bona vele from their mind the next
besides Valentine's ngibona ngathi abantu abaningi sebajolela i-content.
I wanna
So yeah,
if you go shoot that.
point.
Never when I'm not ukajola le motho o tlo shoota ntse le tsamaya mna ke a tsamaya
let me tell you, let me kill the stigma for you. The videos that you all are taking and everything, those are the memories for you and her. It's your decision to take it and then post it for everyone to see. So it's not our problem, Oruena. You took your relationship and advertised it for us. And then they take your hand and you say, yo, Amara. You see, those memories are for you and her, boy. Make them like cherish them. You don't go outside with your trophy and then you want to take out from so this is my trophy. No.
Okay, speaking of that, when like what does it take for Wuti like in Thomasan we post the wins to Instagram? Especially Instagram. Because like everyone
I love it.
No way. I wanna post like an actual post or maybe story.
like post
like
or maybe do a highlight.
Shy folder.
Maybe do a highlight.
Maybe highlights.
So WhatsApp.
That's ushadile.
Maybe story. No, my sister. I just for me.
Nakuwhatsapp bascars man. Hey, ngithanda kancane usibonisa umuntu bascars.
Wow.
Exactly.
Maybe ukuthi abaphili ukuthi bayajoyina.
Indaba yethu soyichu.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for ukuthi like ukuthi uthi yini bayenzeni?
Like what does it take for you to
No, after that uthini?
maybe ukuthi abaphili or something.
No, phela mochwela phela wenzeni ukuthi abantu babhili ujoyela ukuthi wena
publicity face
yeah.
But then there are people like that. Like
When content.
like you.
Yeah.
Balegani.
I'm interested in doing it.
Balegani 99.
So would you like pay people to just like you go nje it's not to post. Njengokuhlubi so.
Very spell.
Baleg.
Yeah, for content.
Yeah.
I will. If she's bad, I will.
If she's what?
It's bad.
But
What do you mean bad?
What do you mean bad?
What do you mean bad?
Okay, answer.
What do you mean
What
bad?
do I mean bad?
Yeah.
Bad is a slang for baby, you know, like a girl who's fine.
Wanna be prostitute.
So, yeah, as in telling you what is the definition? Yeah, baby. Yes.
What's the difference
Yeah.
between a baby
Oh,
and
a girl who's...
or something?
Baby. Definition of baby boy.
So for me, I feel like a bad is a girl who's worship boy. A girl who doesn't give a fuck about what people think and then physically, when you know their bodies, like you know what I'm saying,
T. Just say
everything is not. The face is not. That's what bad is to me.
But then
Where?
there are babies who
Mina.
like
Yeah.
The wanna be prostitute.
Baby prostitute.
You wanna be. You wanna be prostitute. I'm a baby.
boy.
Yeah.
So big.
Because obvious.
Wanna be prostitute?
Yeah, because Focus on what the baddies do.
Okay.
Ba inspire ke the idea. The role models are one prostitute. Because prostitute is on.
Who's one prostitute?
yabona ke.
I can make an example of
Yeah.
Who's one prostitute?
Nah, guys, ladies. Can I
ask? Who's one prostitute you know that can make an example as a role model that can fit the category?
Oh, you mean
okay. Bana banyana.
Bakashela
They
lawe.
can say, okay, I want to be like a
Prostitute.
Prostitute. Not a baby.
Do you know?
It's gotta be a baby.
Do you all know what's like?
The bad bitch, you love.
Do you all know what's the definition of a prostitute?
Yeah.
It's giving yourself away and then receiving money. It's an exchange of services. Exactly.
No.
So
Just
how?
Just because more.
Mamela, naked. Mama naked.
Ayo.
Naked, bona. Whatever, focus on bona, the pedi, I want the pedi. I'm a pedi. It's like they get into relationships and so on.
Yeah.
For cash contact.
Yes.
They will give you love. And then when the money disappears or she gets bored or something, she'll buy. My prostitute, yeah, very enjoy. I see gold booty.
Machita mina advise nami. Cela ukuthi in future angajona umuntu ongazazi ufunani. Yabo. Like but angeke like ongaza like if you're educated.
I swear.
How you know this?
Nah, you
That's
not fair.
What are you even saying?
Let me okay, tsingikhuluma. Ngane bheka mfethu umuntu futhi uyambona ukuthi lo ekho interested esikolweni. Yabo. Lo mfethu like izenzo zakhe boyzini. Like I'm action speaker than words my brother. Uyangithola? No, relax.
Okay, continue, my brother. Continue. Yeah,
Uyangithola? Style double direct. Uyangithola? Bese ke number 2, ane uchela mfethu versus sesikele. Uyangithola? Ujoyina uchela umuntu uzocela imali akaqaba ukuthi ngidlule ngeleza manje uzocela imali. Ngithatha. Yabo ekho educated, brainless. Abanye.
Okay, I disagree.
Then I disagree.
No, Ted, you're next.
What I'm saying
First.
is, boy, I don't think at this age we should be like focusing on smart girls who are educated and all that shit. We're trying to have fun, but we're still young. You feel me?
But that fun will bring down your future.
I disagree.
Can you get to me?
Yeah.
You saying the girl is not smart or something like that?
Doesn't like school.
Oh yeah, we're on top.
Sure.
But why did you date her in the first place?
That's what I was saying. That's why I was saying.
If you were able to go to her and date her, that means you saw something, a bit of a spark. So it's your job as the guy because you saw the spark. So it's for you to shine the torch or to make it shine brighter. So uzomtshela ukuthi okay, dude, you're not focusing on school. Uthembe. Now it's the last question. Okay. No, he's right. What I'm begging because at home, you see. So it's up to you, boy. You can make a change in her life if you value it like that.
Motivate the short.
Exactly.
Motivate.
To be smart.
Ngiyakila ngizibona ngine experience le nto leyo.
Yo.
Mara se one net. What do you expect? For example, probably can I 16.
Sure. Yeah.
Luena na 16 as Moyana. Luena as Moyana 16. You expect me to become the breadwinner of your I'm not your father phela now phela. U tlo nkopa chelete ya go botho hisa wa bana botho.
Into engisho.
Ungena.
It's not it's not a must for you ukuthi like it's not a must for you as a gent to like to make her important or no outside prioritize wena prioritize yena lo lapile emi. It's not a must there because even if the fathers run
In the meantime, she doesn't have
banal daddy issues vele these girls vele banal daddy issues. That's why it's about busy ba ndota mas. The father didn't even do it.
Bahlala busy black sheep of the family.
What?
Black sheep. Sure. Ithuqala lapho ntwana. Uyangithola? Kuya ngumama aqala ukuthi nikhuli kanjani nomntana uzokhula kanjani. Uyangithola? So if to generation
the girls that mostly say in Indota
Mas, exactly.
Because what?
daddy issues.
So you're trying to say that if my mom was like maybe pregnant at 17, I'm also
It doesn't necessarily have to be your mom, but your situation in your house can affect how you.
Yes,
yourself.
and the way mama call, and the way situation ka mama king call, you can't be
Because
motivated by umuntu ophuza
ngami
every day.
thakuna 17 now ngandlula lapho.
That's tough.
You can't be motivated by umuntu ophuza every day.
And in some household they celebrate
No.
they celebrate a child odlula 21.
Babona istyle ababanye
Yeah.
babona umuntu
Yes.
ophuza
Like that's how
everything.
tough it is. You celebrate umuntu adlula 21 years angakho pregnant. That's an achievement in some households.
Yeah.
Understand what it's tough, man.
That's very tough.
Especially teenage pregnancy yabazali.
Yes.
So talking about that, guys, man, I don't know if it's over offensive. Would you date a virgin?
Yes.
Yes. Well, how is it going
No.
Can I ask? Because mostly, like you, like situation, you're on a high school.
This is like
High school. Yabona nje high school njengoba sila alafang, that's most of the things that they talk about. Mina ngeke ngize ngibhejitho ihasha maligibeli yabo izinto ezinjalo. That's how tough our generation is.
It's the environment.
It's like it's like when you turn 17 you need to have a baby, especially majideni. Like kuna leyo pressure le. Angazi
No, wait,
But
guys,
then-
you don't need to really ntano batla ngwana.
I'm good.
What's up, Pampo skip guy when?
But then that's what like it's happening now.
Oh.
That's what's happening.
Nna ke re bona lona elereng siamatshitshi next month you're pregnant mago le tshitshi mina ngishayisa ngihambile washayisa amahotman azokudlala kore yabo
No, yabona nje relation is le different. Ubuza ukuthi would you date a virgin?
virgin
Sure. It doesn't matter. Phela njalo
because baslowla
basuka ama virgin.
banothi bona magala baslow mina bana sometimes phela le virgin mona babang you have to teach them how to kiss because some of them abathi blue
Can't tell you na virgin
Bateng abasathi nglusunana. Bateng abasathi nglusunana like
Uyamfundisa as much as abona mfethu na mfethu bungakwazi now
you started somewhere.
Ngisemhlabeni ungakhona
But we teach you la.
Exactly. Undise Oled mfana bona Oled manje mbala.
Nah, pause, boy. Nah.
Awasuna ke mwa usalimnyana. Na let's be.
That's not relevant.
Awasuna ke mwa.
That's not relevant to the
Awasuna ke mwa.
Okay,
Yabo mba ngithola.
So when
you learn
ufunde
maka mina ngifunde TV mfethu ngifunde ku Netflix.
No, you lying.
You just said ngifunde ku Netflix.
No, is it?
sama vaseline lapha.
Mina no hayi baba ulilayi ngibuya kuwindlwa mfethu. Every gent I
Yo. Dani. Hey, basic figure mama.
every gent ake kumchitwa ngabuzi. That's where you take that.
Can you please give us the backstory?
Yes.
What happened?
What happened?
Let me just clarify myself.
Clarify.
So there was a video that was shot like I don't know a year ago, and I said I did something. Yo, I didn't do it.
Nah.
What did you say you were doing?
Repeat.
Context.
Okay, you can just watch it on my video.
Context.
Okay, I said I was doing what you said he was doing. In primary, I was masturbating. all that shit. Yo. Nah,
You know, you said high school.
You said you were here.
High school.
I'm here to correct what I said.
Yes.
I lied, gents. It's false. I didn't do it for real.
No,
in high
It happened.
school.
Yeah, I've never masturbated in school.
That's messed up. Yes.
What you mean, hard?
That's messed up.
That's
Makasema kuwaningi gents. Libalada abafithu. Kawufela mthuba dileda. Kawufela awuna mthu sabalanda.
Yeah, shoot.
Libalada.
For everywhere.
If umjita awusuka shapa trata.
You gay. If you didn't do it before, you gay. That's it.
Amfithu. Maka uskal lematsa holo lwena.
Because you are born last.
So
Libanyana ba DJ ya vele like ba DJ ya bogela.
Not some.
Some.
90%. 90%.
Maybe 70.
No, 90%.
No,
Seventy.
singathi 90% because labona akhona ama-virgin.
Yeah.
Anga-DJ as njengoba usho.
But
Oh, yabona ke sesikhuluma ngempilo of guys. if you watched till now, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you want another one with the code.
Yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Follow my Instagram.
What's up?